Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach simple university management system. This is a very simple system, basic system. So here we have a fields, add student, view student, add teacher, view teacher. So here if you click add student button, it goes to the relevant page to register the student. So here we have to enter the relevant to the student name. I just enter the registration number, student name James, course I am going to enter as Java, Jsp, address India, phone number something like that I have give, and click submit button. Student added successfully. You can go here and we have a table we have to create it here as Asian College. You can test here, you will be able to see the record. James Jsp India, right? Okay. Now let's go to home right here. If you want to view the student, click on the student view. Here you will be able to see there will be two student, right? Here you can edit the student and remove the student. You have a choices, right? Very simple student registration things here. Let me see how to do this system step by step, right? After that we will look at the concept of add teacher and view teacher concept. Okay, now let's back to our project, right? So first go to the file, new project. I am going to create, I have installed NetBeans IDE 8.2 version. If you are not installed in your machine, you must install NetBeans IDE 2.2 version. Along with you have to install with XAMPP server, then only you will be able to create the database and all. Okay, so first if I go to the file, new project, select the Java web, default come as Java, you have to select as Java web, select web application, click next. Here you have to specify the project name. Here I am going to create some project name, so I am going to create LOC school college, LO college. I am going to create. I just create this name. Click next. Server you must select as Apache Tomcat. It is a server I have recommended. Click next. I am not going to work any framework anymore. Click finish. Right. Now here this is your default page. It will be created automatically. So instead of HTML, I am going to delete them. I am going to change this. So select the web pages folder, new JSP. Here I am going to give this one as an index. This one should be extension. You don't need to type here. Java JSP file, right? The extension will be automatically taken. Click finish. Now your page has been created successfully. Okay, now what I am going to do is here I am going to design the page. Okay, so I am not going to waste my time to design the page. I already done in my as the video I shown here. So how the page it will look like, it's very simple. Here what I am going to do is here, this is the where's my project. The Asian school, that's my project name, this one. Okay, here web page, inside web pages folder we have a one image, this image, right? The same image I just copy and paste inside this. Select the web pages for web pages folder, paste it. If you have images in your computer, it will be the simple stuff. The same thing. This is your image. You just select this image, right click, copy. It's very simple. Back to your project. This is a web pages folder. Right click, paste. The same thing you have to do. Okay. I don't need this one, so that I have deleted. The same process you have to apply. You just copy the image where it's located and paste into the web pages folder, right click the web pages folder and right click, you have an option paste. If you click on this one, it will be paste inside the web pages folder, like look like this. Okay, very simple. This is a default page. Okay, now what I am going to do is here I just remove the things. I already designed the page. You don't worry about that. I all the source code I provide you. This is a copy, Control C to copy, the paste here. Right, it's a very simple code. Okay, This is the same thing. When it will be defaultly coming this one. This is all the stuff. Here HTML attack. Inside the attack, how to attach the bootstrap link? You just go to the Google. Okay, you have to type bootstrap. Click on this one. Get started. This is CSS. You just copy and paste it over here. Right click and paste it. You can get this side. Okay, all the bootstrap libraries you can access over here if you paste the CSS file. Okay, after that I have to inside the body I have designed another simple thing. Sorry. Okay, simple style I have to make it inside the body. Inside the body we have to make the simple style. Okay, here. Okay, so this style sheet I have written the separate style sheet. Okay, inside the attack I haven't closed the attack here. Simple style for body. This is simple style. The no repeat, all the simple style I have again. This is the student image. Okay, this is student image. This image we are calling here. After that we have to this is the body tag, simple body tag. I have to put it inside the body tag. I have to put it the div tag. Inside the div tag we have to call this 4 buttons, right? Student, add student, add teacher, view student, view teacher. Or in simple 4 buttons I have put it here. Okay, now let's save all. If you run the application, select the index.jsp page, run file, you will be able to see here. Okay, it takes some time to run. It's all the libraries it will be built. Okay, then only it will be run. Okay, don't worry about it. This is all the source code I will upload in my website. You will be here. Simple user interface. It's very simple. This is all the design are coming from bootstrap, right? This is all the size. Okay, it's no problem. It's a very this is the background image. We have set it over here. Okay, very simple. This is style sheet. Very simple. Style start here, close it here. Inside the style, we have to put this body tag, right? This is the body. We have set the padding. Okay, so this is simple design. Okay, this is very simple. We have to write. After that, what I am going to do is here. I am going to add the this page. When you click add button, it goes to the page add student.jsp page. So how to do the task is select the web pages folder, right click new JSP. You have to click the same name here right here, add student. No need to type the extension, it will automatically take an JSP file. Click finish. It getting over here. Now what I am going to say, add student, I have already made the design over here. You just control select all, control C copy, control paste here. Right. We have already designed the page. You don't worry about this. I design it. Okay. This all source code I provide you. Don't worry about the same thing. This all the class it automatically created. If you enter this one, it will automatically you will be able to here. It will no problem. So here first what I am going to do is here. Here also bootstrap style I have applied inside that tag. After that we have to create a simple form. This is a form design. Div form group 12 mean it is the size of the form 12. Okay, it's the size of the form 12. This is your success method, and if the student added successfully, it will be getting the message. Okay, then only we have this HR tag for display the message. Okay, after that we wrote the form tag. It started here, form tag is closing here. Okay, this is the form id form method post. This is the action at student.jsp page, right? This is simple stuff you have to return. Inside the form we have designed the simple tag. This is the heading of the form, right? Student details. After that we have write another form group. This is simple one, registration. This is for registration. This is for registration. Okay, here this is a registration number. This is we have a field registration number. Okay, so we have the registration number, this one. Okay, on the registration field. After that, this is the another field which is a this one should be the student name. Okay, this student name. We no need to solve stuff, right? The student name. This is the course. This label course. This is address. This is a phone number. We have a 5 fields, right? So this is the registration number. One input field. Another input field name. This one should be the course. This one should be the address field. This is the phone number field. Okay, we have a fields. Okay, this is simple field. First, you have to understand the concept how the programming works. It should be important stuff, right? So this simple form design. Okay, once you fill all the stuff, student details, registration number you entered, name entered, address entered, phone number entered. After that, click submit button. What happens is goes to the where it goes to the action add student.jsp page. Okay, the add student.jsp same page it will be redirected. Okay, so here it goes here. This is the JSP tag we have written. Okay, JSP open tag and close tag. Okay, so here what I am going to do is here before go to the JSP tag, first you have to go to this your project. This is the libraries. Your project there will be the folder called libraries. We have to import the relevant jar files in order to connect MySQL and JSP. Okay, so expand this one, click on the folder libraries folder, add jar folder. This one should be these 2 beans files, right? So hold on to the shift key down, select both, open, right? How to download this MySQL connector, all the stuff I will be taught in my basic Java videos. Those who are not touched my basic Java videos, just go through my tutors funny channel. You have get many videos how to download the MySQL connector. Okay, you just go to the Google and type MySQL connector for Java. You will be able to get the jar file. You can download and you can put it here. This is must when you are writing the program, right? It's very simple. After that, you have to write a connection object. We have to create the variables message and color. After that, we have to write if request method compare to post. Okay, here the same thing. This method is post. It is compared to post. Then only it will be access here. Try. We have to put the try catch. We have to create the variable string variable registration number request get parameter registration number. This name should be match with this name, course, address and phone. This all the field should be. This all the name should be. This all the name field should be. You have to getting to the same page. So this what is the name you are entered in the input field. The same name you have to put it here. If you have put the different name, it won't work. Okay, this same name. Okay. Once you post the form, what happens is it's getting all the values from these fields. This name fields. Okay, what's the name you are written here? It is coming here. What's the data you are typing? It all the data should be passing to this request parameter, this fields. It assigned to the relevant variables here. Okay, it assigned to the relevant variables. It name should be assigning here course, address, phone number. Okay, after that I am going to insert the record into the database. So first I am going to register the driver, MySQL driver. After that we have to given the database path. Your database will reside on localhost, which name is Asian College. Inside the database we have created the table which is a student table. Student table has these fields. Okay, here I am not going to put any auto number generate. I just manually we have to put it here. Okay, this was varchar, name also varchar, address, course and phone number. This is the structure of the database table, right? So what I am going to do is here I am going to write the query, string query, insert into student. These are the fields. These are the fields names. We have to put it here. Okay, we have to type without any mistake. What is the name you are given here? The same name you have to queue here. After this is the parameters you are passed here. Question mark. How many fields are there? Only 5 columns are there. The 5 question marks. This is the parameters, right? Prepare statement parameters. So here, what I am going to do is here we have to write here prepare statement. We have to write the prepare statement object PST this query we have to call it here. After that, this all the values. What is the value you are retrieving from that form? This all the values we are passing here one by one. Register number goes to first field, second name, second course, address, phone number. This all the fields are go like this here. After that, prepare statement dot, if you call this function, your this all the what's the records you are coming here, it should be added into the database if you calling the execute update function. After that, if the all the things are success, you can get the message as color as green. Message you have to set as student added successfully. Otherwise, if there is any error above, it take you to the catch exception. The color change it as red. Message would be change it as error occurred. Right? This is a simple one. Okay. After this message, I have put it to the separate div. This is the div starting here. The above we have written the h4 tag. Here we have to the style for this color. We have set this color variable. This is a color variable. We have set it here. We have to create the above color variable. Green. Here also red. So the color. What's the color? If you enter the student success, it should be what's the color? If it is this message success, green should be color will be displayed. If it is not success registration unsuccessfully, color would be change it as red. So here coming. Okay. The message here message should be this message. We have to pass this variable here. Okay. You have to write like this. This is inside the Jsp tag. We have to write here. Okay. Otherwise it won't work. This is Jsp tag starting and closing. This is Jsp tag starting and closing. Okay. This variable we are calling here. Okay, very simple things. Okay, very simple things. We will be add the record likewise. Okay, you don't worry about this. So all the source code I will provide in my website. Twitter's funny. You will be able to download and you can enjoy the project. Right, very simple stuff. Right. Now let's be moving to the view student.jsp page. Right. So what I am going to do is here select the web pages folder, right click new JSP. Here we have write view student. View students. Click finish. Okay. Now view student also page also I design it. The same thing. I just copy this one and paste it here. I will explain it. With this very simple design. Here this is div is starting here. The same bootstrap style we have to paste inside the add tag. Okay, here we have to change as a view student. Okay, the way same bootstrap we are pasting inside the add tag. After we have to create the div tag. This one should be the UID. Here we have a button called home button right here. Okay, now here what I am going to do is here we have a fields. Okay, this one should be the our table heading. Okay, here I have to write a table heading like this. Okay, this is the heading. Okay, registration number, name, address and course and phone number. Okay, here inside the T body we have to display the record from the we are retrieving the record from the database and display. Okay, when you click view students, we have all the student details should be view inside the T body tag, inside the T body. So we have to create the JSP tag open and close that. Okay, so we have to write here also connection object here to create on prepare statement object PST result set object RS. Here also we have to register driver, we have to give the database path. So here we have to write the query. Select all from the student. So here this is the we have to retrieve all the records from which table? Student table. This all the records we have to retrieving to from student table. So we select all from student. Prepare statement we have to run this query. After the result set object we have to write here. Calling the prepare statement dot execute query mean this all the record we have executed. Okay, which all records should be loaded and put into the RS. So here we have to put the while loop and we have to loop it. So rs dot next means next element. So you have to this open tag, you have to close tag here. After that, this is a table. Table what happen is we have to write tr tag, close here. We have to write the tr registration number. Here also JSP tag open and close here, close it. Here we have to write first rs dot get string. What's the number? Registration number should be the first field. This number, the same name you have to write, name, address, course and phone number. This also likewise you have to write. Then only it will be loopy and it will be passing to the data into your table. So here after that your update page, we have this ID, registration ID. When you update the record, how to update the record? ID should be unique, so that we are get the record ID and update the record. So we have right here href update student dot jsp page ID. Here also this ID, same ID we have to write, the same thing we have to put it here. Then when you click edit button, it goes to the this page along with the registration number. The same thing we have this edit button. Delete button also the same thing. When you click delete button, it goes to the remove student.jsp page along with the ID. Okay, relevant student ID. This is the thing we have to do. Okay, very simple. Okay. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Go to the index.jsp page, run file. Click add button, it goes successfully. Okay, like this one name, you write Peter, course Jsp, address India, phone number, click submit button, student added successfully. You will be able to see the database, it's added successfully. Peter, Jsp, India, this is a phone number. Right. Now let's go to the program. We have to check this one, this one. Okay, we have to check, go to the home page. We have to check the view student. Click view student. Here students are viewing successfully. Okay, it's viewing successfully. If you click home page, it goes to home page, right? So if you click view student, it's coming here. Here it's nice paper, look like nice. Okay, now this edit and remove all the stuff we will be discussing in my next tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for